I understand what it's like to try to figure out, how do I make a change in my life? I want to make money online, but I also want to make a difference. I want to do something that makes passive income, but I don't want it to be sleazy and scammy. I want to be able to teach. I just have this passion to share information, but I don't know how to make it all work to make money. I was exactly there. And so when I interact with people like that, if that's you, when I interact with you, I get you. I understand your heartbeat. I know what it takes. I know what you want. I know what you're longing for. I was there. I've been in that situation. I navigated through all this. I took the long road, and I want to give you the shortcut. So by now you might be convinced that Kajabi is the right all-in-one online business platform for you. But you do have one piercing question, and that is, whose link should you use? Should you use my link, the best one, or should you use someone else's less good link? Well, I'm gonna tell you in this video 5 reasons why you should use my link when you join Kajabi, lanesebring.com/Kajabi, because it is the most good link. And to that, we are going to drink some espresso, and hopefully this won't be too hot for TV. It always goes down nice and smooth. So if you're new here, my name's Lane. I like to help digital entrepreneurs start and grow passive income style online businesses. And I like to help them do that on Kajabi. And I, at this point, have helped a couple hundred people get on Kajabi, be successful, and grow their online businesses. So the question I want to help you think through in this video is, why use my link? And really, there are 5 reasons in no particular order. Number 1, I am committed to your success. I have helped literally hundreds of business owners figure out how to do online business the best way, which is on Kajabi. I help them get on Kajabi, get successful on Kajabi, get set up, get their first mini course up and running and launched and making money. I'm so committed to your success that I've put together a suite of bonuses that you get when you use my link. But just at the end of the day, you have to realize that even though there's other links out there with people who are providing great things, no one is going to care like I care. I want you to be successful. The more people there are doing online business, the better world we live in, because that means that there's more people living out their passions. There's more people creating freedom for themselves, giving opportunity to others. It's just a better world. So I am truly committed to your success because I want you to be successful on Kajabi. Now, the second reason that you should use my link is because you get a 45-minute one-on-one Zoom call with me. What this means is that when you sign up to Kajabi using lanesebring.com/Kajabi, you will get an email from Kajabi as soon as you sign up, and you will have a link that you can schedule a call with me. And you can put yourself literally on my calendar, and it's just you and me to talk about your business. This is some of the most fun I have all week. It's incredibly rewarding to meet one-on-one with people who have used my link to sign up for Kajabi. We talk about all kinds of things related to business success on the platform. Sometimes we talk about technical things like, how do I get this set up, or how do I do that? And a lot of times we talk about strategy, like what's the best way to use Kajabi in your online business. A lot of times we talk about online business strategy overall, and it kind of becomes a free coaching session that I happily provide because, again, I'm committed to your success. I want you to be successful on Kajabi. Those 45-minute calls have led to some ongoing friendships that I still have to this day with other online business owners that are doing all kinds of different niches and niches. It's amazing. It's a really rewarding thing. So I'm committed to your success. You get a free 45-minute one-on-one call with me. The third reason why you should use my link, which is the most good link, is my course, the Kajabi Accelerator. This course walks you through everything that you need to know to understand, first of all, how to do online business on Kajabi. It gives you a great framework for the practice of doing online business. How does it work? And then the course walks you through how to set everything up on Kajabi to make sure that all the kind of set and forget settings are ready to go and you don't have to kind of think about them after that. And then I talk about next steps to get your first product up and launched on Kajabi. All of that's in there. And this course really came out of the first about 100 calls that I did with my Kajabi referrals, the first 100 45-minute calls. So it literally came from 4,500 minutes of meeting with people and hearing the same questions over and over. I started to think, I think I could serve my affiliates with a course that would walk them through some of these basic things so that when we get on a call, I'm able to actually coach you on business strategy and how to start and grow your business, and not just the kind of technical things that you run into when you're learning a new software. The course is an amazing part of the package that I offer when you use my link. So the first thing is, I am committed to your success. I want to see you succeed. The second thing is, you get a 45-minute call with me. I'll be honest with you, I don't know anybody else that's doing it. And even if they are, if I do say so myself, why would you want to talk to anybody else, right? Number 3, the Kajabi Accelerator is a phenomenal course and it's yours for free. Number 4, you get my 25K course launch email template. Now let me tell you about what this is. So when I launched my first course, I didn't know what I was doing. I was kind of learning all this as I went. And I was working a job, I was building a course in the morning before I would go to work, working on this course for months. And then I finally launch it, and it makes $25,000 pretty quickly. The first 3 launches. So I did a launch, waited a little bit, did another launch, waited a little bit, did another launch. $25,000 total. That was about half of what I made in my normal job in a year. That was like life-changing money at the time. So I took those emails, which are still a really good launch sequence. It's still the exact same sequence that I use today for my courses. And I put it into a template so that my students who use my link to sign up for Kajabi could have a jump start on the kind of emails that they could use to launch their course. So when you jump into Kajabi using my link, you'll have a blueprint for how to think about your course launch in terms of the emails that you're going to use, how are you going to use them, in what order, why in that order, all that kind of stuff. So the course launch email template is part of this package that you get when you use my link. So I'm committed to your success. You get a 45-minute call. You get the Kajabi Accelerator. You get the 25K course launch email template. And number 5, you get a 30-day trial for free. So typically, if you just go to Kajabi, you're going to find a 14-day trial. I can get you a 30. And so that is another reason on top of everything else why you should use my link. And finally, let me give you a 6th, a bonus reason why you should use my link. And that is, I get you. I understand what it's like to try to figure out, how do I make a change in my life? I want to make money online, but I also want to make a difference. I want to do something that makes passive income, but I don't want it to be sleazy and scammy. I want to be able to teach. I just have this passion to share information, but I don't know how to make it all work to make money. I was exactly there. And so when I interact with people like that, if that's you, when I interact with you, I get you. I understand your heartbeat. I know what it takes. I know what you want. I know what you're longing for. I was there. I've been in that situation. I navigated through all this. I took the long road, and I want to give you the shortcut. So when you use my link and we're able to connect and I'm able to help you with these resources, and I care more than anyone else does, and I get you, all of that together just means simply that my link is the best. It's the best one to use. You can use any link you want, and so when you use mine, I appreciate it a ton. It is an affiliate link, so I do get a small commission when you use it, so I appreciate it very much. I've made 195-ish videos about Kajabi. I'll continue to make videos about Kajabi every single week, but I just wanted to carve out 1 week, 1 video to let you know why I do this. So if you have not jumped onto Kajabi yet, please do, using my link, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. All of what I just described is part of what you get when you use my link. So click below and I'll see you on our 45-minute call. Now, I want to mention this playlist right here, which is my 90-day Crush It on Kajabi playlist. 90 videos in 90 days. It will show you everything you need to know. It's a great place to start. Click below to start your free trial, and I'll see you on our call together.